Egor Local Government Council Chairmo Honorable Egor Chairmo don carry the Operation Clean Up Egor campaign waka go Uselu, Texas Mill Road, Ogida Market and other places for Egor. Una go remember say some days ago, Honorable Egor launched the Operation Clean Up Egor campaign where dem clean and clear bushes from the council secretariat all the way to UBTH for Ugbowo Road. Egor Chairmo, in collabo with Edo State Waste Management Board and other environmental body, come carry waka go along major roads, streets, markets and other places where they for clean the areas, clear bushes around major road, clear dirty comot for gutters and come also pack the dirty. Egor Local Government Council Chairmo Honorable Egor Chairmo come talk say the road makers go dey work Monday, Wednesday and Friday to make sure say dem keep Egor clean and say dem go bring caterpillar to come pack the sand wey dey block gutter for Egor wey no dey make the water flow anytime wey rain fall.
We don inaugurate road makers last week Thursday, so our work now na Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and so we go dey work dey go for the whole of Egor until we fit achieve wetin we want before we come dey do am 2 times a week. So as we dey now, we dey for Uselu for Egor ground. We wan come remove all the dirty wey dey here first, then excavator will come dey comot all the sand wey dey for the gutter wey dey block the gutter.
General Manager Edo State Waste Management Board Charles Deba Imaragbe come talk say waste management business dey local and dem go take am to the root and say Edo State Waste Management go collabo with all the local governments for the state to keep Edo clean. E come also throw salute to Egor Chairmo for the better work wey she dey do and say for those wey never register with accredited waste manager, make dem sharply go register.
It's not because of our collaboration. For some time now, we don't tell una say we dey collaborate with local governments. Waste management business is local, and we're taking it back to the roots. And as such, our work going forward is going to be in collaboration with the local government. We've been doing this for a while now. That's why you see today we're there on the field again. One of those days, like we've been doing it for some time now. Our Monday morning sanitation among all trading routes and markets and all very commercial areas is one of the ones that I've brought here now to Egor. And I want to bless and thank the local government leadership of Egor, the person of Honorable Egor Chairmo, for her foresightedness and her very dedicated leadership. Because if you see today now, she don't mobilize all her people. You go see a lot of local government staff, health officers, sweepers, cleaners, and all of them, they're there on the field to make sure that they do this work. See the way they are clearing the gutters. You go see and say they mean business. And we are here to make sure they get all the kind of support that they need with the waste managers, with trucks and everything, to make sure that they have access to dump in the dump site, to make sure that every other thing works well. That's why we are here. You can see in our collaboration. And when you get this kind of collaboration, now everything will take the go city wherever. So for us, it's a system that has come to stay. We cannot thank the local government enough. We cannot thank all the people enough for their support and leadership. But one thing we want to talk very sincerely is that the people by themselves must also key into this thing. They must make sure they do their own bit, which is to make sure that they register with accredited waste managers, and that the waste managers they take their dirty regularly. If the waste manager not come, they should report the waste manager, call our customer care lines, or go to the local government where they near you, which is Egor now. Go report the waste manager so that the waste manager go do your own bit. And not be that be the end though. You should make sure you pay your waste manager, because who can they work, it go make you still get him pay. Because now enforcement go day. The enforcement go be two-way. If you not do your work, enforcement go catch you. If you never pay, enforcement go catch you. If you never go to carry the tea, enforcement go catch you as a waste manager. If you as a client never do your own business of paying the waste manager or giving the waste to the waste manager, enforcement go still catch you. So we want to make sure Edo State is clean. And the directive of Mr. Governor and be that.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Egor Local Government Area of Edo State, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.